So here we go.
Here we go. Hey guys, today we are doing the Mentos challenge. You know the Mentos? We're gonna put the Mentos in the Coke.
What's gonna happen when you put the Mentos in the Coke?
It says,
Are you excited about that?
here. When the Mentos sinks in the bottle, it causes an explosion. But
Romeo, did you know that the Mentos in the bottle causes more carbon dioxide?
Here we go. Wow, guys, wasn't that amazing?
Look at this mess, Romeo. Who's gonna clean it? You or mommy?